Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
Mater, let's go! You're on!
That's my point. You didn't follow the safety rules. Okay.
Will you turn that dis-
I thought you were supposed to be making me a disguise.
Voice recognized. Disguise program initiated.
So, Mater, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that piggy truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Ready, buddy? Ready? All right, then. Get it out!
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Ooh.
Red?
Tag, you're in.
To fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up?
Oh man, the paint's still wet!
Boy, I said some things during our fight.
You know, back when Guido and Luigi used to work for me.
Neither one of them has a single day.
Oh, I'm gonna fix that!
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
These folks are gonna get a kick out of meeting Hud's boy.
Who's Hud? Oh, Doc.
Hello, hey! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go! Man!
I need you to watch the prisoner tonight.
Well, daggone. Wait a minute. What if he tries to run again?
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is on his side. I will.
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded?
Francesco lost a lot of momentum in the dirt.
Welcome to Sodor, Mr. Giraffe. Take my way. That's the highway. That's the
Lightning McQueen!
Wow. What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
Are you a fire truck?
Huh? Are you talking to me?
Points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season title.
No, you are not winning this.
You're angry!
I am not angry.
You know...
I hereby dub thee.
Have you back, honey?
Congratulations, man.
Welcome home, soldier. The place wasn't the same.
Good jigger.
I've been kind of lonely. Nobody to hang out with.
I can't stop! Let's go!
Machine Dragon Fireball!
He's not so good looking.
Yeah, nice try.
I'm serious.
That's why I love you, Sally.